and in behalf of our beloved Grand Master, greetings from our most worshipful Grand Lodge of Free and Accepted Masons of Bukit. Being a past Grand Master, wherever we go, each one of us represent our beloved. And so here I am on a personal visit, but officially representing our beloved.
On this memorable journey of my life, for the 40th public installation of elected and appointed officers of the Naval Masonic Lodge number 269. I am profoundly grateful for the trust that you have placed in me. Together we stand as guardians of a noble legacy, a legacy shaped by the timeless principles of brotherly love, relief, and truth.
Installations ceremonies like this, especially made public, you can feel the pride of our fraternity, showing to the public our ceremonies, which define what Masons are made of, where we come from, and what we stand for.
As a worshipful master, I am committed in upholding and perpetuating these principles, guided with the light of wisdom and fortified by the bonds of fellowship in the spirit of unity and harmony. Brethren, let me reiterate that the Lodge is not just composed of worshipful master or three light, either the elected and appointed ones. We should implore and be reminded and to fulfill our role to our obligation. Mga kapatid, gusto ko po pantay-pantay po tayong lahat. Thank you, my dear brethren, for the faith, your fellowship, and your boundless devotion to the mission of Freemasonry. Together, let us again labor and continue to labor and dwell in love, unity, integrity, inspired by the timeless precepts of our beloved craft. I love Freemasonry. I love you all, brethren.